how straightforward the job is going to be, or how simple it's going to be, there is going to be some point in what you're doing that something is going to just resist.
Welcome back to Life After Hip Hop. I'm QP, and in this episode, NY transforms an antique Singer sewing machine into a stunning bathroom vanity. Enjoying our content? Then take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube page and like our Facebook page, Life After Hip Hop with NY Audio.
Listen, check the new mission. I peeped the antique Singer sewing machine in good condition. Listen, I made an ill decision. If I could turn it to a bathroom vanity, that's the illest vision. I felt the cause, so I purchased it with no pause. Gave it a cleaning, what I'm seeing, minimal flaws. Do it right, I could give it a new life. Stain it black, vessel sink at the top, this is too hype. But over the years I fear it looked diminished, so I gotta sand it down and apply a new finish. But hold up. So what's up? It's your friendly neighborhood fly guy. It's Life After Hip Hop, and I'm working on this Singer sewing table to convert it into a vanity. So this is an antique Singer sewing machine, and back in the day, what you would do in order to make it work, you do this, look, and then that wheel spins, and then it would spin the sewing machine that would be on top, and you would access the sewing machine by just lifting this up. You have this extended table, and the sewing machine will pop out from here. So I'm like, alright, cool, I'm gonna turn this into a bathroom vanity. It's gonna look crazy. So I started sanding it down. As you'll notice, it's already sanded, but I noticed on the edges, you can see that there's, the veneers didn't hold up so well. This is not from the sanding. This is just after years and years of, it's an antique, so it is what it is. So I have two options. I can take the time to try to reface, which I'm definitely not gonna do because that's more work than I had the capacity to do. So I'm gonna stain it right now and see how it turns out. Got some urethane, stain, and poly, so it's going to do this all in one. I think I'd have preferred to just get stain in this case, because I think I would have wanted to just stain it off the rip and then wipe the stain off and then polyurethane. See, stain and poly is going to function different than just stain. Just stain is going to stain the wood and then you wipe it off, then you polyurethane. Stain and poly is like, you're covering it, and so
You still gotta wipe it though.
nah, it's like,
Yeah, you still gotta wipe it.
let's see what the instructions say. Right, no, that's in Spanish, so that won't be instructions. Nah, this is not that. Nah, you just do it. So this is a one and done. Like this is a you hit it. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna hit it, and this is what it is. Come with it, and if it come out bad, you know what I'm saying, we'll live with it. We'll live, because that's what we do. We maintain.
Sand it down, new finish, look tough. But where I'm going, we both knowing it ain't enough. I think I could make my own vessel sink. I could buy a bowl, cut a hole, make it link. I could buy a bowl, cut a hole, make it bevel. Use my brain, install the drain perfectly level. Cut out the hole for the bowl in the vanity. Looking at my progress, by God, it's pure insanity. Add on the force of the course, it look crazy. Step back again like, look at my baby. Last thing to do, then the job's almost done in. Plumb up the plumbing, get the water running.
Good, and the bowl is working.
So the purple stuff is the cleaner. You clean out your pipe with that. You know what I mean? And then you put the glue on there. And I mean, in a matter of seconds, this thing is it's done. You can't do nothing. The only thing you can do to get this, to loosen this up if you had to, is hit it with a heat gun. Heat gun will loosen up the glue, but I mean, you had to hellify heat. And you probably damaged the pipe in the process, so I just gotta get it on this pipe. It's a little bit like I gotta get it on this pipe here like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it'll be in here like this. Then I have to work this pipe over that way, put them together. The only problem I'm really having is just having a little bit of an issue manipulating around this pipe right here. So, that's going to be where the dance is at. So, alright, so right now I'm just cleaning these pipes, because this was an old pipe. I'm just cleaning it, making sure that it's right and exact. This went to the original plumbing. I'm going to clean this one here as well. I'm going to do all of this now, so I got to be doing all of this when I'm trying to set it in, you know what I'm saying, and keep the activity to a minimum. I'm going to close this because everything's already cleaned, so I can close this. If you want, let me tell you something, you will spill this more, the odds of spilling this is higher than you spilling anything else. Like, if there's anything to spill, that's going to spill, so be mindful of that. Don't try to don't like be rushing and whatever, trying to do whatever you're doing, and then you haul off and so close that up if you can. All right, on to the next one.
So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Life After Hip Hop. Absolutely amazing, fun job to work out. So we're gonna just show you the final result. After all is said and done, after all the beats and all the rhymes, it's time for you to see how it turned out. Here you have the completed Bathroom Vanity. So as you see, the drawers are all functional. We kept the interior, pretty much exactly the same.
Keep your teeth healthy, people.
Yeah, So all the sewing stuff now, what was there for sewing, now functions just perfectly for, the bathroom basics. And of course, here's this vessel sink that those of you that might have watched us live do it. Now you see it here. There go that water running.
Ooh,
look at that.
You
know what I'm saying? And of course, those of you that have been watching as well would have seen us use this Crown Royal, turn this Crown Royal bottle into our soap dispenser. That's a whole nother bill, you know what I mean? But the long and the short of it is done. It works. And with that, we are done. Enjoy. Talk to y'all soon. Life After Hip Hop. Peace.